Welcome back to the Bike Buzzin' channel. Today we're diving into the much-anticipated 2025 Harley Davidson lineup. As one of the most iconic motorcycle brands in the world, Harley continues to evolve, combining tradition with cutting-edge technology. Let's explore what's new and exciting for riders in 2025. Design evolution. The 2025 models showcase a bold design philosophy that blends classic aesthetics with modern engineering. Expect sleeker lines, new color options, and refined details that honor Harley's heritage while appealing to a younger audience. The signature V-twin engines remain, but now they feature enhanced performance capabilities and improved fuel efficiency. Technological advancements. This year, Harley Davidson steps up its tech game. The 2025 lineup introduces an upgraded infotainment system with larger touchscreens, better connectivity, and advanced navigation features. Safety is also prioritized, with enhanced rider assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. Electric revolution. The electric motorcycle segment continues to expand with the introduction of the LiveWire 2.0. Offering greater range and faster charging times, this bike proves that Harley is committed to sustainability without sacrificing performance. The LiveWire remains a stylish and powerful choice for eco-conscious riders. Customization options. Harley Davidson has always prided itself on personalization, and 2025 is no different. New customization options allow riders to tailor their bikes to their preferences more than ever. From unique paint jobs to performance upgrades, each motorcycle can be as individual as its owner. Community and experience. Beyond the bikes, Harley is fostering a stronger community. 2025 will see more events, group rides, and rider training programs to bring enthusiasts together. The goal is to create lasting connections among riders, enhancing the overall Harley experience. In conclusion, the 2025 Harley-Davidson lineup is a thrilling mix of tradition and innovation. Whether you're a lifelong fan or new to the brand, there's something for everyone. Be sure to subscribe to the Bike Buzzin' channel for more updates and in-depth reviews as we get closer to the release date. Until next time, keep the rubber side down and ride safe.